Hello.
We're live. Hello.
Hi.
Say hi.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. How is everyone? How is everyone po?
Yes.
Good.
Sunday.
We're living the best life. Oh, popsicle ka dyan.
So yung sa mga nanonood po, just feel free to comment from which part of the globe you are. So yes, umpisa na tayo. Pagod na ba kayo? O feeling nyo, ginagawa nyo lahat para, pero wala pa rin kayong breakthrough. So, lahat ka tayo dumaan dyan o dumadaan dyan ngayon. So, hello mga ka-lives, mga ka-OFW, mga kabayan, balikbayan from all over the world. Ako po si Cheryl and ako po ang inyong host for today. And isa po akong nurse dito sa UK for over 24 years na po and also a single mom. So 24 years na akong ganito ang trabaho ko and to be honest, kahit gaanong kayod o kahit gaano kadaming overtime, para lagi pa rin kulang. So nakaka-relate na ba kayo dyan? I'm sure you are. So ngayong gabi, real talk muna tayo. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang tungkol sa burnout. So, not just physical, pero pwede rin itong, emotional at mental. So, lalo na sa ating mga OFW, no? Mga healthcare workers, mga frontliners, admins, moms, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. Pero ang good news po is, lahat kami dito tonight ay nakahanap po ng breakthrough. So gusto namin itong i-share sa inyo, itong digital business na tumutulong sa amin makabangon mula sa pagod at para makahanap ng bagong time freedom. So let's start po with someone I know who is also burned out from the hospital front lines, and it's not other than Cherry from Canada. Yes,
Hello,
Cherry.
everybody. Yes, I'm working full-time nurse too in the complex care, pediatric, but sometimes I work in adult department as well. So sometimes long hours, 10 hours a day, 12 hours, you name it, So sometimes you kind of like, especially, your golden years, always like, sakit ng likod, tired, burn out, and you don't have even time for yourself. Pagdating mo sa bahay, pagod na, But thanks goodness, I found this business 5 years ago, and I found my peace. I found my peace and purpose in life, through, because I still can do, even how busy I am, I can still do this business because it has everything in it. The power of automation. So it's very powerful, especially when you're busy. So I said, okay, this is my plan B for now because I'm still working full time. So because nursing is fulfilling. Don't get me wrong. I love my nursing career. You are like kind of self-fulfilled when you're helping those frail, those who are with disability. That's where I work right now, with the kids with special needs. So I love it, but sometimes I can tell, what if, if I can't do anymore. So I'm glad that I found this business that at least I can rely on, especially I'm working towards my retirement. So this digital business we're talking about, so it helps me restore my time, my peace of mind, because I know I have a backup one day if I will retire. And extra income is very important. So I find my peace, I my identity, that I can do this too, in my busy schedule. So which is very good for me because it works with my schedule. So try and learn more about what we are talking here about this business. So for me, if you're a nurse, you can relate that how busy you are. And if you're looking for something, try and learn about this business because for me, I love it. I think that's what it is.
Great, great, great. That's amazing, Sister Cherry. So yan, narinig nyo. She, sumali siya sa online business na ito dahil nakita niya ang benefits na kahit natutulog siya, it's running in the background. Now, hindi lang naman po ang healthcare workers ang nakakaramdam ng burnout. Let's hear naman po from someone na optical manager from UK and so hindi rin siya exempted sa stress. Sis Josie, take it away.
Hi. Good day, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Josie. I'm a mom. I'm a wife. I'm a grandma. And I work full-time. As you heard, I work in the optical business. I'm also a digital business owner and a mentor. And I'm talking with you from the United Kingdom. Now, if you want me to carry on, yes, I am an opticians manager. So I manage people, I manage the store, and I manage the customers. Sometimes I'm under pressure, and I grit my teeth sometimes when things become so intense, and sometimes I feel burnt out inside, but I smile and I perform. I take everything in my stride. My get out is my digital business. I started this side hustle, and it has become a sense of purpose and possibility for me. It gives me the balance and confidence to grow and to build beyond the 9 to 5. And of course, it gives me another source of income. So yes, I do like my job, but sometimes you want to get out something to do. So yes, I found this side hustle and I'm quite happy. Yeah, back to you, Cheryl.
Thank you so much, Josie. Yes, thank you so much. So yes, this online business has given her new hope. Now, syempre hindi lang po sa healthcare or corporate ang nauuso itong pag-burnout, kundi pati mga guro, especially kay Sis Bernadette from US.
Hi everyone, I am Bernadette from Canada. So I'm from British Columbia, Canada. I am early childhood educator and I love my job. So I really love my job. I think that's my passion. I found my passion and but then that love really doesn't pay our bills. So in reality, you can hear from any of us, we do love our job. But at the same time, we also want something more. And we are not getting any younger. I am not getting any younger. So I'm working into my golden years. So having this profession, if you have this energy, all the kids has all this energy, but I want to prepare for my golden years. So when I found this business, I know that I'll have stream of income, and it gives me the freedom and flexibility of time that I wanted. So it's not just the passion that will pay the bills, as well as I want to build my future. So that's why I've really ventured in this business, and that gives me all that things that I wanted and planned for my plan B in my golden years. So this profession is really a good one, but then I'm not getting any younger. So all the physical burnout and everything that encompasses my work, um, this business gives me that assurance that I can still do this business even I have my full time. I'm still working as a full time educator, and on the side I'm doing this as a side hustle for now. But eventually, I want to have that early retirement as well. So back to you, sis Cheryl.
Thank you. Thank you, Bernadette. Yes, so kahit gaano ka-passionate no sa trabaho mo, yung sweldo mo ay talagang hindi pa rin nagiging sapat. Don't get us wrong, no? We all love our jobs, but syempre, we all want that extra security, lalo na sa ating mga future. So, let's hear naman po from someone na sanay sa pressure sa sales and admin world. It's none other than Sis Mary Ann.
Yes, thank you, sis. So, ako naman po si Mary Ann, again, also originally from Manila, Philippines, and currently now in Ontario, Canada. I'm also a wife, a mom of two, and like what sis has said, I'm currently working as a sales admin. So, being in the sales, being a sales admin, lagi nasa likod ng desk, right? Sunod sa schedule. At yun nga, like what my sis here had said, palaging nasa ilalim ng pressure. So, araw-araw na lang pare-pareho, clock in, trabaho, uwi, clock out, nakakapagod. And to be honest, hindi lang physical pagod, emotional din. Siyempre, hindi rin mawala yung office politics, especially underappreciated efforts. Tapos kahit anong galing mo, parang may hangganan din, siyempre nakakapagod. I gave so much time and energy, pero parang walang growth na totoo. I started asking myself, ganito na lang ba palagi? I mean, don't get me wrong, I also believe that the skills I've acquired through the years bilang empleyado have truly helped me become the mentor I am today. Malaking bahagi yun ng growth ko, pero kahit ganun, I knew I have to make a change. I need to search for something. Then one day, I came across this digital business. At first, nagduda ako kasi hindi ako techie, right? Pero I took that chance, and you know what? Sobrang worth it. Ngayon, I get to build something na akin talaga. Ako nga yung boss di ba? Wala nang boss na kailangang i-please, walang naghihintay na promotion na baka hindi dumating, right? Ako na yung may control sa oras ko, sa goals ko, at sa kita ko. Hindi siya laging madali, pero for fulfilling, the best part, nandito lang ako sa bahay, kasama ko yung pamilya ko, right? Habang ginagawa yung business ko, finally, may balance, right? May peace of mind. So from burnout to breakthrough talaga. Kaya kung kayo yung napapagod na rin kayo, right? Baka ito na yung sign nyo. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Sis Mary Ann. Yes, so si Sis Mary naging skeptic din siya before joining this business. But she did her due diligence and yes, took that leap, and then now she's enjoying the freedom and that extra income and security for her family. So, dako naman tayo from another hardworking woman, a mom and a dental assistant na nakahanap din ng bagong pag-asa dito sa business na ito. Sis Rosalie from Italy.
Hello. Hello po. Ako po si Rosalie. Ako po ay ang inyong lingkod, taga Padova, Italy. Dental assistant. Kita niyo naman sa mga ngiti ko. I'm working as a dental assistant. Matagal-tagal na din po. But I'm a proud mommy also and a proud digital business owner. Mahal ko ang trabaho ko. Aminado ako na bilang full-time talaga, syempre, umaga hanggang gabi, darating ng bahay. Alam mo yun, yung pagod na pagod talaga. Pagod na pagod, as in pagod yung katawan, pagod na rin yung isip. At kasi, syempre, ako bilang ina, gusto ko yung, kung mayroon akong isang anak, gusto ko matulungan sa pagko-compete yung anak ko, pero hindi ko siya nagagawa. Hindi ko siya nagagawa dahil nga nagtatrabaho ako. And naging emotional. So dumating ako sa point na yun nga, ganito na lang ba palagi. Gusto ko rin ang mag-provide, pero hindi sa kapalit ng oras ko sa pamilya. Bihira ko, yun nga, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, bihira akong nakakasama ko yung anak ko sa maga. Kasi although siya pumapasok the whole day, so hindi kami nagkikita, umaga lang tapos gabi. Kaya lang, syempre sa gabi tutulog na yon. So, kakunti yung oras. But then, alam mo yun, yung darating ako sa bahay, I really decide to do something na yung pwede kong gawin na, yun nga, yung magkakaroon ng extra income. I prayed a lot talaga, I desired a lot, and then, yun nga, nakita ko nga yung isang ads sa Facebook, and yun, kaya nung makita ko ang opportunity na ito, I took a leap of faith, kahit parang alam mo yun, nandun yung takot. But then, alam mo yun, kasi nakita ko na pwede ko siyang gawin anytime, anywhere. Pwede ko siyang gawin on my free time. So, kaya nagkaroon talaga ako ng interest. Nagkaroon talaga ako nung, alam mo yun, yung through me or in my heart na talagang maganda ito. As in talagang, ang kagandahan kasi, kahit ako'y full-time, hindi ko naman kailangan mag-resign sa trabaho. Although darating ako dyan. So, yun. So, ngayon, I'm building my own digital business. Hindi man madali sa simula. But I know it's worth it. And makakamit din nating lahat yung time freedom, yung financial freedom. At syempre, higit sa lahat yung early retirement na gusto natin. Back to you, sis.
Salamat, Sister Rosie. So, yan, no? With Sister Rose, she found this online business and because she wanted to secure her retirement and her future with the family. So dadako naman tayo back to Canada. She is a hardworking mom, an office manager, and yes, it's not other than Sister Malu. Back to you. Mute
Can't hear
kasi.
you.
Yes, ayan na naman tayo. Don't read my lips, okay? Ano na tawag to? Naano ako dun kay Sis Rosalie, parang iiyak na ba ako? Kasi lahat tayo nagbo-burn out at some point, diba? Pero lahat po kami dito may pang maalaala. Lahat naman tayo actually may pang maalaala mo kaya na kwento. At yun ang ating pinaghuhugutan ng lakas. Ika nga. O, sino bang hindi napapagod dyan? O, edi wow, di ba? Wow, ang dagat. Sino ang kung may kakilala kayong laging fresh, nakakainis, di ba? Yung laging fresh, laging on time, at hindi na i-stress, o baka alien na po yon at baka robot na din. So ako po si Malu from Alberta, Canada, isang full-time mom at of course office manager at proud na digital business owner po. Alam natin yung feeling na parang araw-araw nilang na nakikipagkarera, na yung hinahabol lagi yung oras, may alarm, yung ganun, yung gigising ka na parang hindi pa sapat yung tulog mo, babakod ka na naman. Tapos sa mga moms na tulad ko dyan na nagprepare ng baon every morning para sa kanilang mga anakis, o diba, nakakaano din yun, stress, iba din yung stress sa work, sabi nga ng mga ka-empower natin dito. So yung may mga meetings dito, meetings doon, emails doon, complaints, magkabilaan. Pero, syempre, uuwi ka na parang super pagod na, di ba? Doon na yung parang zombie level na sinasabi nila. Tapos, meron ka pang mga requests, yung sa mga anak mo, and all that. So, ganun po yung routine ko for almost years now. So, nakaka-drain talaga siya. Pero, bilang isang nanay, andun yung sabi nga nila, andun yung rewarding naman yung feeling. Pero hanggang saan, parang nasa rat race na lang lagi. Minsan feeling ko, bakit laging hanggang saan ba to? Diba? Parang kahit anong sipag mo, walang nangyayari. Tapos tatanungin mo na lang sarili mo, ganito na lang ba palagi? Until may isang ads, diba? Until may isang ads na nakita natin. So sa umpisa, andun yung doubts. Kasi daming scammer dyan. Legit pa ba to? Diba? So, syempre, meron po tayong tinatawag na due diligence, na nag-research tayo dyan, nagtanong-tanong kung ano-ano, hanggang nakita ko yung pinsan ko na nandito. So, parang yun yung nagbigay ng nudge sa akin na, okay, this is it na talaga. So, ayun, ano lang naman yung free webinar, ano lang naman yung 20 minutes na papanoorin mo yung webinar, which is napaka-importante kasi lahat naman tayo, hindi tayo basta-basta nag-jump sa isang decision, di po ba? So, kailangan talaga maging cautious tayo. So, ayun, I believe na ito yung isa sa pinaka-best decisions na nagawa ko kasi dito mo makikita na posibleng magtrabaho ka on your own terms. So, may income ka, may time ka, may peace of mind, at higit sa lahat, meron tayong community na hindi lang basta-basta cheerleaders, kundi taga-tulak talaga paakyat. Hindi pababa, paakyat. At higit pa dyan, I am now building something na I can pass on to my children. Kasi napaka-importante, iwan yung legacy, diba? So, andun yung legacy na hindi lang yung income, kundi nandun yung legacy ng courage, ng resilience, at saka of course yung freedom na hinahanap natin lahat. So, ngayon, hindi na lang ako basta-basta gumigising magtrabaho. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na nandun na yung may dahilan ka na, may purpose ka na, di ba? May mission, ika nga. So, proud ako na sinimulan ko to. At kahit na sa umpisa hindi ako nag-take action, pero at least, di ba, better late than never, ika nga. So, kung ikaw ngayon ay pagod na at na-stress or feeling mo stuck ka sa cycle ng trabaho mo at yung mga bills na nagpa-pile up, ito na po siguro yung sign na sinasabi. So, kung kaya namin, I'm sure kaya nyo rin po. And let's build a life na hindi na natin kailangan ng magpaalam pa ng bakasyon, di ba, sa ating mga boss. Let's all build na a future na ikabubuhay natin at ikapaproud din ng mga anak natin and the next generations to come. And I thank you.
Wow.
I thank you too.
Thank you. So yes, according na, sabi ni Malu, no, na this is a legit online business. It's a global company and with more than 250k members now worldwide. So kung nakakayanan namin, kaya nyo rin po ito. Okay. So, grabe, ang dami nating hugot and breakthrough stories ngayong gabi. And nakaka-inspire siya, di ba? So, lahat naman tayo kasi galing sa iba't ibang background, as a nurse, a manager, a teacher, admin, a dental assistant. Pero iisa lang po ang pinanggagalingan natin, yung pagod, pero meron pa rin tayong pangarap. So, kung isa ka na sa mga pagod na, pero ready kang harapin ang breakthrough mo, this is your sign. So, comment lang po down below, info or message us, and maybe we can let the viewers... Oh, hello!
Welcome natin sa Ate Vicky.
Nakahabol. Okay,
Hello!
on to you, sis Vicky.
Hi.
Hi everyone! I miss you guys.
Hello.
Partners. As you can see, I'm in the car. Etong business na to, nakaka-addict. I drove from Milan instead of 40 minutes, 30 minutes. Sabi ko, gusto kong maka-join dito sa aming StreamYard. Also to share myself, to share my journey about this business. For our viewers who don't know me, I'm Vicky Asuncion from Como, Italy. I'm ticketing sub-agent. And for those who know this business, very exciting, kaya lang unstable po. Inconsistent most of the time. Alam niyo naman, ang freelance, you can earn how much you want, and there are also times that you don't earn anything. So, nag-decide po ako na kailangan kong magkaroon ng another source of income dahil alam niyo, ako mismo ang nagbabayad ng aking insurance. Wala akong amo na magbabayad para sa akin. So, if I will not work, wala akong pambayad. Kaya doon ako na-stress, na-burnout ako doon. Buti na lang at dumating etong digital business na to, which is consistent, pwede kong gawin anytime. As you can see, katulad na sabi ko, nandito ako sa car, pwede kong gawin na hindi ko siniset aside ang ibang mga gawain ko. I can do it anytime, anywhere I want. Buti na lang at meron ito. So, in times na wala talaga akong mga benta, wala akong pasahero dahil hindi naman monthly or yearly lahat na uwi. So, merong supplement mismo sa aking income. So, for those who are searching for extra income, ito po, business namin na digital business na to, ay pwede para sa lahat. Hindi po pinipili yung pwedeng pumasok dito na kailangan ma-experience o kailangan may pinag-aralan, kailangan uupo ka sa isang pwesto for a fixed hours. Pwede niyo pong gawin sa inyong mga free time. Okay guys, back to you, Cheryl.
Ayan. So, nakikita nyo yung flexibility of this online business that you can do it wherever you are, just like Sis Vicky. So, yes, shall we give our audience our websites before we finish? So, let's start from, shall I start? Yes. Kung nag-aatubili pa rin po kayo, don't hesitate. Just send me a message or connect with me. Just register your email and connect with me at www.cheryl-young.com. Sinong sunod? Malu o Cherry?
Hello, everybody. If you're interested and if you're like us, busy and burnout, this is the best time for you to check us out and start. So my website is www.cherylamis.com or message me in my Facebook page.
Sis Malu?
Oh, sure. Yeah. Kung nababurn out na po kayo, i-visit niyo po yung website ko at mga website ng ating ka-empowers dito, kung sino man sa atin. At kung curious kayo, paano tong digital business, at gusto niyo lang mag-explore at parang hindi pa kayo desidido, ito po yung aking website, www.digitalmsconsulting.com. It's where we share free trainings, info sessions, at dito mag-start ang real journey. Maraming salamat po.
And Sis Bernadette, is it next? Thank you.
Hi everyone! Once again, nandito lang po kami. Your mentor and will be your guide. So kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan dahil kayo ay burn out na, yung gusto nyo ng pagbabago, kayo lamang po ay mag-visit sa aming mga website. This is my website, www.bernadettejourney.com, para makapag-start po tayo ng inyong magandang buhay. So, na-share na po ng mga kasama ko rito ang kagandahan ng mga business na ito na nadulot sa aming mga buhay. So, come join us. Thanks, sis.
Yes, Sis Rosalie.
Ako na. Hello. Inspired po. Ayan po ang aking website, www.rosalie.com. May God bless you all.
Thank you. And Sis Josie from UK.
Hello. Yes, if you are watching, this is for you. If you want a better life, better than your 9-to-5 job, check the website. That's my website below, www.kimayongjslifestyle.com. Take the leap of faith and everything will fall into place. You certainly will have a better life doing this digital business. Connect with any of us and we will help you. Thank you.
Thank you. Who else? Is it Mary? Thank you.
Yeah, so if you're still feeling stuck, exhausted, or craving for something more, we have been there, all of us. But discovering this digital business opened new doors for us, giving us hope, purpose, growth, and wala nang burnout. Konti na lang siguro. Yeah, it's not magic. You still have to show up, of course, but if we can do it while working full-time and being parents, right, you can too. So if you're just curious, join our free webinar and see if this would help you go to the next step. No pressure, just real opportunities. www.barryantibayan.com. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you. Sis Vicky.
Hello, if you are burned out like us, this is the solution. So come and join us. Contact any one of us. My website is www.vickyventures.net, or you can connect with any one of us. Come and join us.
Ayan. Okay. So these are the beautiful empowered women. We are only ordinary women and gaya ninyo, hardworking. Siyempre, we want something for our family and future. So, comment lang po kayo ng info or message yung mga nag-invite sa inyo. And you know what, guys? Libre po itong info session namin. So, walang commitment, pero baka ito na yung inyong hinahanap. So, see you next week po sa susunod na topic. So, remember, burnout is real, but so is your breakthrough. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Bye for now.